Colonel Wilson, are you a rich merchant here in Sacramento? Do you want to get more rich? So you have an idea about taking your goods up to the Sierra foothills, to the miners, is that right? And one of the ways you thought about doing that was to build a railroad, right? Do you know how to build a railroad? Would you like to find someone who can build a railroad? And if we could find someone, would you pay that person to build a railroad? Good. Just a minute. Hold that thought. I need another volunteer. Come here. Okay, you can stand over here. Everyone's saying, good morning, Theodore Judah. Your name is Theodore Judah?
Yes.
Are you in New York?
Yes.
You're an engineer? A mechanical engineer? Do you know how to build railroads? Have you ever built railroads? You built 2 of them, right? So if somebody from California came and asked you to come back to California and build a railroad, would you do it? Hold that thought, okay? So there's Theodore Judah over in New York. You need to go to New York and ask him to come to California and build a railroad, and then bring him back with you, okay? So go get him and ask him, and then bring him over here. Loudly.
Will you build a railroad for me? Yeah.
So back to California. Over here too. All right, so he had someone to build his railroad. Theodore Judah. Okay, and Judah was building that railroad from here out to Placerville. It was the first railroad this side of the Missouri River. So Judah, when he's building his railroad, started looking at the mountains. You know, from the foothills you could see the Sierras and stuff. And got to thinking, you know, if we could just build a railroad across those mountains, we could tie this country together, and people wouldn't have to walk, and they wouldn't have to go around the bottom of South America. Why don't we try to build a railroad? So he went out and started surveying, and he built, see him up there surveying, found a route across the mountains, threw it out and made a map. There's your map, Mr. Judah. So he came back. What's the first thing you need if you're going to build a railroad? Yeah. Before that. I'm sorry? No, you need money. You need lots of money. Okay? So Judah started going around to the banks here in Sacramento. They laughed at him.